Okay, so today there's a new thing going on. All Hallows Road. It's the Halloween theme thing, and I think that's pretty cool. Oh, Tom Story Awards. That's pretty awesome as well. I'll take that. Oh, and as you can also tell by my lineup, I got this new guy. He's a part of the collab. He's fine. He weakens. I'm not sure by how much, but whatever. I'm not sure. I don't think I showed you this, but I got Crazy Titan now. I'm not sure if I did though. Maybe I already did show you, but yeah. Yeah, he was quite a pain to get. Anyways, that's a bunch of pumpkin villages and a bunch of ghost doggos. Okay, I mean, sure. I can tell this guy weakens everything except for metal, which is pretty good. Lantern Jack. Yeah. There we go. Wow, his speed up, that's really helpful. I already have infinite amounts of them, but sure. Cosplay Carnival. This sure does not look like one. Hold on 1 second. And we're back. So this guy's basically Hacker Cat, but instead of whatever he did before, he weakens. Like, so I'm not sure by what percentage though, but he might be good. I've heard people say he's good. Well, from when last time the collab was on, I've heard some people say that he was good, and what the hell are those? Wait, those were the bat pigeons from the Heavenly Tower. Ever wanted to see that vampire owl? Yeah, this is happening in the whole gold thing, except I don't even know what it is, so yeah. Trick or treatment. I don't want to know what that means. And we're back to the graveyard. I did say it was going to make a video based on Halloween, guys. Can you not do that? That'd be great. Well, let's just speed this up. There's a salt unit up in here. Okay, well that wasn't too difficult. Hello, hello, Halloween. How many stages are there to this? Six, okay. 2 left. Okay. Oh, it's the Heavenly Tower background. That's great. Oh god. Okay. Stop it. Catman, hey, what the hell? Oh great, look who's back. This is how piece of garbage you are. Well, luckily my guys are good against floating, so we shouldn't have a problem with this. Okay, we might need to actually start using these shields. You know, why is it aliens? Why the hell is there aliens in this stage? What does this have to do with aliens? Like at all? Bonk. It's like every like 2 episodes they get a new crazed cat. Because I think the only last crazed cat I need is Crazed Gross, which is one of the better crazed enemies, you know? Well, one of the better crazed units, you know? Besides the crazed mage shields, of course, because they're always great. Only got 2, or whatever. Harvest Festival. Rare ticket, you say? Okay. And since I know these diamonds are going to be floating, I might as well have an anti-floating line up here. Let's see. Oh yeah, I got the true form of these two. You know, Studer Boy and his girlfriend. Well, now it's Studer Boy and his weird-ass girlfriend. Let's get Fishman in here. You know, let's get them in here as well, because why not? Kai will be really good here. And it basically no matter how bad we do, we're gonna get the rare ticket. Unless, of course, well, you know, I get a score of 0. Just look at him. Look at him. He's not great. He's not great at all, but maybe he's something. That always counts. I should murder them now. I want the bats dead. Stop it. Guy, I need your help. They're just murdering. They murdered Fishman. Okay, just show up single attack. What the hell was that? Kai, what was that? Okay, you killed a group of them. That's always nice. So you're getting there. There we go. Okay, starting to do good now. Starting to pull through. Here. Hacker Greek Cat, I guess, maybe. Greek? Hacker Geek Cat. I don't know. He has some stupid weird name. Don't with all these flags that have weird names, like the Bikram one. And this one, which I don't even know the name of. And there's that, then there's one with like 10 subtitles. Okay, black means I probably should have expected that. I would have brought Oda, if I knew they were gonna be black enemies. Oh god. And that's quite a bit of them. Okay, can you not die? Can we get Catman in here? That'd be great. Kill the otters. God damn it, otters, okay. Another one? Really? Is that really necessary? Now, come on, don't be ridiculous. Don't be ridiculous. Get the weird geek cat in here. I don't know. Protect assault units. How tough are these otters? Stop, please. Okay. That's fine. Gonna be like that? Be like that. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. Get rid of you. Bringing Shinjin. Bringing Amigo. And Flying Cat. So my plan here is to cheese the first part of it a little bit, you know? Because the only thing that's summon is the Bat Boys, the Bat Team. So all I need to do there is just cheese it. How exactly will I cheese it? By them obliterating me, of course. If you not obliterate me, that'd be great. Okay, a little bit too loud again. Stop it. There we go. And we need to do some heavy damage before the owl gate arrives. We get Oda in here as soon as we're not Oda. Shinjin's in here as soon as humanly possible. Somehow these rays don't count as black enemies, even though look at them. Okay. Hopefully we can get ready over here. We'll go with a good squad. Maybe we can even get Kai. Why not? Okay, there we go. Okay, Shinjin, help now? That'd be great. Did he miss his attack, or do those otters just have ridiculous amounts of health? Like, I believe either one of those options, honestly. No, the otters are dead. We did it. We have killed the otters. That has been sealed, I guess. I don't know. I think that has been killed. Here comes the full bat squad. Getting an assault unit. As much anti-flying as we want. Get Kai in here as well. Okay, we're still gonna knock them out one by one. The otters are back. That's an issue. I think we got it though. Yeah, we killed the otters again. And another Shinjin in here just in case the other one dies. And there's only 2 of the bat people left. That's nice. Only 1 bat person left. And the final bat person is basically dead. Now for the rest we can just summon the flying cats, because flying cats are fine. They're fine unit. Oh god. When I get this shit out of my nose. Anyways, got the red ticket, 30 caps for leadership. I'm not doing 2-star, hell no. So, I don't know which one I should do. The Halloween capsules, which I thought that, oh yeah, Brainwash Chat is there. He's basically just the Aku cat. Not sure why it doesn't show him. Or we could do this, we could get so. I'm do the thing where I don't look at it. And I'll get upset when it's not an Uber or a new guy. You can see what it is right now. Oh, okay, well then. Yeah, I tried to hide in my hand, but that didn't work. It's figure skating. Well, it's been a double rare. Let's get quite a bit of XP for it. I hate this music. Bring back the. I want that music back. Not this garbage. Okay, the game almost crashed there. That's not great. Okay. What else? No, I don't want to do sports night. What else should I do? Oh yeah, there's also another new guy I got. And there definitely is something. The first form looks a lot better than the second form. I doesn't say that much. But I don't think there's much else I can do. Also, to make another battle has to tomorrow, because I'm pretty sure the. Please hold on a second. Because if we look on this, day 6 of the lab, which is this is day 5 of that lab, on Kakano and Suma, which is just a rip-off of the Scooter Boy. Sit down with Scooter Girl. Although who the hell is Tano? We've seen Suma before, we've seen Takuya before, obviously, as we saw Yuki before. But who the hell is Tano? No other unit in the slab features Tano, which is definitely odd. So yeah, might as well upgrade something, I guess. Let's see. Oh yeah, I haven't gotten noticed the Narco. I just need Cat Food Jubilee to appear. Then I can get all the green cat food I need, all the blue cat food I need, and all the epic cat food. Although, honestly, I'd prefer it to be just all of the stages separate, like they've done multiple times before. Because then I can actually, do the specific ones I need. Oh, I also need a red cat food. Although, a cat food jubilee could help with getting the epic cat food. Oh, yeah, that more cat. I have not even upgraded him at all, and hold on a second. And we're back on. So, also, yeah, Bodhisattva and Juliet also on level 1. Gatos is on level 4. I should probably upgrade some of these guys. Yeah, see, there's 8 of them right here. Catso and NATO. I might as well upgrade you to her cat. Hey, Hacker Geek Cat. Otaku Geek Cat. Hey, Hacker. Yeah, I think there's someone's mad about that. Mostly a Hacker Cat over here. I wonder if Geek Cat, if it's the third form, is just gonna be Cyberpunk. It would literally just be Cyberpunk. Oh god, okay, this nose is bothering me. I think I have to cut it here because I can't do this. Because there's nothing else for me to really do. Actually, hold on a second. I do want to see one more thing though, before I do end the video. Oh! How long? Better not be for an hour. 9 hours, okay. And my 9 leadership's over here. I think I'm gonna end up farming treasures. So expect episode like 40 to 50 to be Into the Future Chapter 3 Moon, because I am definitely getting close. I am afraid because, well, I can barely even get through the stages halfway through. Actually, not even halfway through, because I'm pretty sure I wasn't even able to make it to the Great Abyss, Chapter 3, so, no.